There are some good reasons to look past the Oppo R9s alarmingly Apple-ish design. First, this follow-up to the Oppo R9 has got killer battery life. Second, the front and rear 16 megapixel cameras are serious business. And third, you can pick up the R9s for a fraction of flagship prices, $600, around $435 or £350. Converted, the phone does have some shortcomings, like actual rough edges and a needlessly complicated interface, but it's hard to beat the R9's excellent camera, long battery life and price. Key specs: 5.5 inch, 1920 x 1080 pixel screen, 16 megapixel front and rear cameras, 4GB RAM, dual SIM, Android 6.0 with ColorOS 3.0, 64GB ROM, expandable to 256GB. Fingerprint scanner. The Oppo R9s 16 megapixel front and rear cameras are all-star performers. It'll go for days on a single charge and has custom gesture controls. The bad, you'll feel the phone's mid-range design in its sharp-edged aluminium body and some clunky software navigation. The bottom line, Oppo's R9s battery life and camera make it a great mid-price buy, even if it isn't as buttery smooth as more upmarket phones.